Hello viewers, today I am going to discuss 40 important MCQ from Francis Bacon's outstanding essay of studies. So let's start. Question number 1. According to Bacon, who condemned studies? Answer is crafty men. Question number 2. Who is the pioneer of essay writing in English? Answer is Francis Bacon. Question number 3. A man who studies a lot is temperamentally lazy. Question number 4. What, according to Bacon, is the chief use of study? Answer is delight. Question number 5. According to Bacon, spend too much time in studies is sloth. Question number 6. Who is called the father of empiricism? Answer is Francis Bacon. Question number 7. Bacon was born in 1561. Question number 8. Bacon's style is known for aphorism. Question number 9. For abilities which are natural is like natural plants that need pruning by study. Question number 10. When was the essay of studies published? Answer is 1597. Question number 11. What, according to Bacon, make a fool man? Answer is reading. Question number 12. Of studies was revised for the edition for 1612. Question number 13. Bacon suggests that the general counsels come best from those that are learned. Number 14. Who is called the father of English essay? Answer is Francis Bacon. Question number 15. How many types of books are described in the essay? Answer is 3. Question number 16. Studies develop the man's natural ability. Question number 17. According to Bacon, one must read to weigh and consider. Next question. To use studies too much for ornament is affectation. Question number 19. History makes men wise, poets witty, mathematics subtle, and natural philosophy deep. Next question. What for the mood of reading is? Answer is to obtain knowledge. Question number 21. What for the mood of study confidence is? Answer is to readiness. Number 22. According to Bacon, philosophy makes men grave. Next question. What, according to Bacon, makes men wise? Answer is history. Question number 24. Why is the study writing is used? For accuracy. Question number 25. According to Bacon, the physical exercise bowling is useful for kidney. Question number 26. According to Bacon, gentle walking is good for stomach. Question number 27. Bacon suggests that if a man's wit be wandering, let him study. Question number 28. The study of logic and rhetoric develop a man's debating power. Question number 29. Experience is essential to add to the value of studies. Question number 30. Simple men admire studies and wise men use them. Question number 31. What thing is fit for mental defect? Answer is studying. Question number 32. Who is the father of modern English prose? We all know the answer. It is Francis Bacon. Question number 33. According to Bacon, poetry is used to foster wit. Question number 34. Some books are to be tasted, others swallowed, and some few to be chewed and digested. Question number 35. According to Bacon, what is good exercise for head? Answer is riding. Question number 36. What according to Bacon makes a exact man? Answer is writing. Question number 37. What according to Bacon lends a man gravity and dignity? Answer is moral studies. Question number 38. What according to Bacon is good for stomach? Answer is gentle walking. Question number 39. According to Bacon, what is good for lungs and breast? Answer is shooting. The last question. According to Bacon, what is good for the stone and drains? Answer is boiling. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please subscribe my channel.